welcome to today's unboxing video. We have a heavy box today. This is the May Silver Swag box. So this is a monthly lifestyle subscription and it is meant for adults and mature people, and it's been really cute and fun to open. I've gotten this a few times now. I will link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. It is $49.99, and yeah, I'm excited to see what's inside. There's always like little things revolving around the theme for conversation starters. It's really supposed to like enhance your well-being and your connection to other people. And I just think this is such a fun box. I love lifestyle subscriptions. Emmy's excited. Emmy, you ready to unbox? Let's get this open. I didn't cut it yet. Let's see. But I hope you guys are well. I think after this, if you're watching this in real time, I'll just have probably one video unless I get more boxes in before I go to Europe. I'm leaving super early Sunday. It's gonna be a super long travel day because I have to go to Chicago, and then I'm flying from Chicago with my parents to Amsterdam, and then Spain, and then we're going to Italy. I'll talk to you guys more about it in another video if you guys are interested. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. When I open it, it says Good Morning May. So I think that's the theme. Ooh, I actually am a morning person. I used to not be, but I like love mornings now. I'm like tired now. It's like, what time is it? 3:22. This is like usually when I do unboxing time. Let me stare at this. What are we gonna get? Mind your biscuits is the theme. Oh my God, are we gonna get stuff to make biscuits? I'm like low on food because I don't want to grocery shop for my trip, you know? So I'm like, I was hoping there would be food in here, but let's see. So there's a little card on here. Want to sniff it? Okay. Nothing says Mother's Day like breakfast in bed. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and reflect on the wise people in your life, and remember our favorite word of advice: mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. So here are some of those questions you can ask yourself or other people around you to reflect on. What is the best or most memorable advice your mom gave you? Who is someone you consider wise? Why? What have been the greatest sources of wisdom in your life? What advice would you give to someone younger than you? What advice do you wish someone had given you when you were younger? Send love, stay connected, get talking. I love it. Those are great for journaling. I'm gonna put that to the side. I will think about that later. And then here we have our list of items inside. So it looks like we have 6 things revolving around the theme. Such a cute little thing they gave. And everything's packaged super well. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I kind of see. Is this like jam or something? Yes. Adam's apple pie jam, the real deal, peeled. Oh, Emmy, don't you tape? I don't else have a pet that loves tape. Sorry, baby, but that's not good for you. This looks so good. Oh, I wish I had something. No, I don't have much, but this. Oh my God, it says warm up and serve over ice cream. I don't have any ice cream, but that sounds good. That's interesting. You can use it as a filling for apple fritters, add to cottage cheese, make a perfect PB&J sandwich, serve over cream cheese and pair with a sharp white cheddar cheese and salty crackers. Oh my God, all of that just made my mouth water. This sounds so good. So apples, sugar, yeah, I was gonna read all the ingredients, but it's pretty much just apples. Let's see if there's anything else here to add. It looks like we have several things here from the brand Adam's Apple. It says, we can't think of a better way to top a hot, fresh biscuit than this delicious apple jam. Okay, let's see, what do we have next? Oh, a spatula thing. I think it's just a spatula. Is that what I don't know if I have one. This is so cute. Vintage inspired dishwasher ready. Be beautiful. FDA safe, BPA free, safe for up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is super cute. Is it? Yep. Talisman designed silicone spatula. Durable and pretty. It is pretty. This vintage inspired spatula mixes, folds, and blends in retro style. This is such a cute addition for your kitchen if you leave it out like, you know, in a holder like I do with my utensils. Yeah, I don't really think I have a legit spatula. It was so awesome. And then next, ooh, it looks like we have some self-care stuff here. A scrub, Simply Coffee Scrub. Ooh, this is good, especially for like cellulite areas or just exfoliating your skin in general. And I love the smell of coffee. Where is is this now? So this is by Adam's Apple. I think so. Yeah, it says on here at least. Handmade soap coffee scrub. Wake up your senses while exfoliating your skin with this all-natural sugar scrub with real coffee grounds. I want to see if I can smell it. There's probably a seal on it. Let's see. Yeah. There's a seal. I'm not going to open it yet. I wanted to see. I'm glad there's a seal, but I love the smell of coffee. I kind of want one. I have like a later class tonight. Anyways, we have here, again, Adam's Apple Southern Style Biscuit Mix. Let's see what you need. I would totally make biscuits right now if I have. Okay, so preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Measure 1 cup of the mix. And then you add half a cup of milk or water. That's it? I'm so excited, you guys. I thought I would need, I think I even have eggs. Oh my God, this is so exciting. I'm gonna have biscuits and jam tonight. I don't remember the last time I had biscuits. This is so exciting to me. And look, oh my God, I am so pumped. I don't need anything else, right? And I have my spatula to make them. Emmy, we're having biscuits. Well, I am. It just add water or milk, it says it right here. And you'll be instantly transported back to your grandma's kitchen. I may be like, oh, I wish I knew my grandma, but it's okay. I'm not gonna get sentimental. If I look bad, I like was doing, I did 3 tarot readings so far today and I got a little emotional, like not in a bad way, like, but I cried. Is this a candle? Ooh, by No Inoue, I don't know how to say it. Sunday Brunch Confectionery Blend Soy Candle, 4 ounces. Sunday brunch. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my God, how cute is this? Oh my God. This smells so good. Let's see if it... Hand-poured soy candle with notes of maple, cinnamon, vanilla, and pecans, topped with mini waffles. Sadly, they're not edible. That's okay, I'm making some biscuits. What is your thought? Pancakes or waffles? I feel like I've asked this recently. I don't know if it was to you guys. I prefer pancakes. I haven't had either in forever though. I eat eggs sometimes, but I'm not much of a breakfast eater because I do intermittent fasting. It's not that hard for me to do like 16 hours if I stop eating at like 8 and then eat at noon. Oh my God, I can't stop. It is kind of sad it's not edible. It smells so freaking good. I mean, you want to smell? No? Okay. I think we have one more item in here. Oh my God, I'm like so excited to make this. And then we have by Aunt Martha's Dirty Laundry Tea Towels. Mind your own business and life will be gravy. It has what we were just talking about. Oh, on the back, if you want to give this to someone, it has a little to and from thing. Only the best tea towel for you, my dear. Not to do the dishes, just for pretty. Who has time to cook? Let's call for takeout and have another glass of wine. Well, Aunt Martha sounds like a fun time. Keep your hands clean and follow the simple recipe for happiness. Mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. That's cute. So I think they do a really great job every month, like really coordinating all the items with the theme. I want to smell that candle more. Oh my gosh. So we get a mixture of things. We always seem to get, this is the 3rd time I've gotten it, I believe. We always seem to get some sort of thing you like can make, and like and snacks sometimes, but usually it's like a food you actually spend time making. And I think that's like fun to do, especially if you do it with other people. I mean, I'm gonna do it with my cat, Emmy. But you get like food around that has to do with the theme, and then you also get like kitchen stuff or like home decor or like self-care. Like it's a good array of things. And oh my God, this candle. I need to smell it one more time, okay? It's so cute. But yeah, I think this is really fun, and I love that we get journal prompts and stuff too. This is so cute, like seriously. And I will use this. I love to exfoliate my skin before I shave my legs. I don't do it all the time, but sometimes. But that was everything, you guys. I can't wait to hear your thoughts down below. I'm gonna go make some biscuits. But please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, like this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will likely see you guys on Monday. I'll probably pre-film it and post it on Monday. I think I'm switching to like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, like doing like multiple boxes on Monday and then like single boxes the rest of the week. At least that's what I'm planning right now. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully when I come back from Europe, there's gonna be some boxes so we can do, you know, a mega unboxing. I'll be back the 5th, but I don't know exactly when, you know, the next video will be. But I have one more box here at least, so you'll see that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye.